Hello everybody, and thank you so much for watching the previous videos. Today we're going to do a game. It's called Hedge Maze. It's from Coding for Kids in Scratch 3. And the purpose of this game is to get the hedgehog, which is here, through the maze to eat the strawberry. And then when the hedgehog touches the strawberry, then the speed will increment, and then you can try it again and again until eventually it's impossible to get in there. And if the hedgehog touches the maze, then he will come back to his original location. Now the tricky part is that this maze will be spinning at all times, and it'll spin faster every time you touch the strawberry. So let me give you guys a little demo. So at first it looks easy, but as it starts getting faster and faster, it would become impossible to get the hedgehog in there. And I noticed that my drawing has little dots here, so that's probably why it's going back. But for the tutorial, we'll make this drawing cleaner. We create this actual sprite ourselves, the spiral. But if you happen to not clean it up correctly, then you'll think it's part of the spiral. Let's go ahead and get started with that code then. The first thing we're going to do is get rid of the old sprite. Start with our background. Give it a color. And draw our background. There we go. So that's our background. Now let's name these. So that's our background. Now let's go ahead and find our sprites. It's a little hedgehog. Strawberry. Now we're going to draw our third sprite, which is our sprite. This will be this spiral maze. Should be fun. I was having a hard time last night trying it. Alright. And the book mentions to make sure you make it wide enough so the hedgehog can get in there, because then it'll just become impossible to complete the game. So there, that's our simple sprite, and that's how you create sprites in this area. There's our maze, and let's start the code. So the code for the maze and the code for the strawberry are going to be very simple. I'm going to start with the strawberry. Strawberry, we wanted to simply have a smaller size, so we're gonna make it smaller. We're gonna put him right there. So if we try this out, it's just gonna make the strawberry smaller. That's all. Here's our strawberry. Now let's do the code for the maze. And in this one, we're going to create a variable for the speed of the maze, which allows for that maze to go faster every time we touch the strawberry. So forever that speed, so the speed will be incremented every time, and this will be done by in the head hatch code. But this is basically what this code does. It will make the maze rotate. And we have no speed right now, so it has no clue what to do, as you see up here. Now let's go ahead and go code the head hatch code. Okay, so here we set up the initial thing we want the sprite to do for the head hatch sprite, and we'll set its size, what look we wanted to have, and then its original starting position. Then we added a forever loop, and inside the forever loop we're going to add if statements that check if we press the right arrow. So this if statement will control the movement to be able to go left, right, up and down. And inside of them we're going to change for the right and left, we're going to change the X position, which will allow our head hatch to move left and right. And as you can see here, it says change X by a certain number. We're changing X by 2 every time we press the arrow, the right arrow. And if we press the left arrow, we change it by -2, so make it go to the left. And the next thing we want to do is make sure he rotates as we're doing the right arrow and the left arrow, so it looks like he's rolling around. And for the up and down, we want to change the Y position. So here you can see change Y by, and we'll change it by 2 for the up, and we'll change it -2 for the down. Okay. So this allows for the movement of the sprite. Now let's add the block that controls the speed of the maze. You want to change it. We want to start at 0.25 for the speed. And then forever, do our checks in here. We're gonna have two if statements. The first statement will check to see if we're touching the maze. So sprite 1 in this case, and the second one will see if we're touching the strawberry. So if we're touching the maze, you wanted to move to go to this. We're going to change the X and Y position. So in both occasions, we want to bring back our head hatch to the starting position if it touches the maze or if it touches the strawberry. The only difference is that when it touches the strawberry, we would like to increment the speed of the maze. So we're going to do a change variable. We're going to change the speed by 0.25. Now let's go ahead and try it and see if we coded it correctly. Oh, another fun thing we can add is an actual timer. It will increase the pressure to get to the actual strawberry, but I'll do that another time. And again, this is all done with the keyboard, the up down arrows, up down left right. Oh, I can't get in there. I need to be quicker than that. Let's see if we can just get it one more time to go faster. Not touching the maze. No, don't touch the maze. No. Ah. Oh, too fast, too fast, too fast. Go down, 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 down. So, there you go. Let me do a quick explanation of the code. So, for the maze itself, we're just making it spin around and around at a certain speed that is controlled by the speed up here, which is incremented by this code here, by this if, every time the head hatch touches the strawberry. For the strawberry, very simple, we just want it to be small, stationary, And the head touch, we initialize it to size and position, and then we control it with the right, left, up, down arrows, and change the X for the left and right, change the X position, and then we change the Y for the up and down. And then we have this other piece of code here that controls the speed of the spiral, and it says that if the head hutch touches the maze, then I'll go back to the original position, which is down here. And also, if it touches the strawberry, then I'll go to the original position but increment the speed of the maze. So as you guys saw up here, it kept incrementing the speed every time I touched the strawberry by 0.25. This is a fun, addicting game, as the book explains it. Hope you guys liked it, and modify it. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.